Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part, how to make propeller blades. Firstly, I should set them increase to 0 like this, because we have these selected faces in order to extrude them and make propeller and make blades. Just set them increase, hit N to show the side panel. Then go over increase, set it to 0 like this, and make sure that all faces the increase is set to 0 for all those selected faces. Set transform pivot point to individual origins. Transform pivot point to individual origins. Should go over here, click over this button, set them to individual origins, choose normal. Choose normal as the transform orientation. Go over here, have transform orientation. Let's choose normal like this. So let's press E and move the mouse to extrude the beginning of the propellers. So let's try it. Hit A and you can extrude and make a propeller just like this. Hit E to extrude like this, so just a moment. Then extrude again. Hit 1 for front view, so just let's scale them like this. I want to make it, I think it's not bad, so extrude again, extrude out again. So hit S to scale it like this to make the shape of the propeller blades. Then extrude again, extrude it out, not in. So I think not bad. So hit S to scale it just tiny bit. Then extrude again like this. Let's zoom out. Then extrude again. Extrude again like this. And so on, just to want to scale this section of the blade. Then you can also extrude it again like this. So let's hit S to scale it. Extrude. Hit S to scale it like this. I think that's good and pretty fine. And we have got these blades. I think it's pretty fine. So this time let's turn on proportional editing. You can hit O key like this. O key is gonna be turning the proportional editing on like this, or you can go over here and click to turn it on. Then so let's see what we have. Let's rotate blades. Hit R to rotate the blades, and as you can see here, we just want to increase influence radius with the middle mouse wheel. So let's increase it like this, and you can see the effect clearly, and you can keep rotating. So let's decrease the influence. In the case where you have get all wonky, press Z once or more to cycle through different orientations until you get the correct one. So hit Z and you can rotate like this and drag the mouse cursor I think it's not bad, so let's rotate and see what we have here. Also, you can rotate it. Hit Z again. I think it's not bad like this. As shown here in our tutorial, if the blades don't rotate this way but get all wonky, press Z once or more to cycle through different orientations until you get the correct one, as shown here. And that's it for this tutorial, and you can play around with some factors in order to make it better. I think it's not very good enough, but you can make and enhance your workflow and enhance your own blades. And that's it. Thanks for watching.